Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volvo XC90 computer. Just like our phones and computers, your car's system can sometimes benefit from a fresh start. We'll cover two primary methods: a quick soft reset for minor glitches and a more comprehensive hard reset for deeper issues. Knowing these steps can help you resolve common problems and keep your vehicle running smoothly. For minor issues like a frozen screen or unresponsive touch, a soft reset is your first step. Simply locate the Home button, usually a circular button below your center display, and press and hold it for approximately 20 seconds. The screen will go black, then the Volvo logo will reappear as the system reboots. This process is similar to restarting your phone. It clears temporary memory issues while preserving all your personal settings and data. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, a hard reset by disconnecting the battery can be effective. First, ensure your battery is fully charged. Then, disconnect the negative battery terminal and leave it disconnected for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all capacitors to drain, fully resetting the system. Be aware that this more aggressive reset might erase some paired devices or personalized settings. Reconnect the terminal in one smooth action. After performing a hard reset, it's important to allow your vehicle's computer to relearn its parameters. Drive your XC90 for at least 10 miles, ensuring a mix of driving conditions. Keep an eye out for any persistent issues or new warning lights. Sometimes, a weak battery can cause computer modules to desynchronize, leading to problems. If issues continue or you're unsure, it's always best to consult a certified Volvo technician for professional diagnosis and assistance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.